Hello YouTube, it's your boy Psycho Dreamer. Today I am here to talk about the adjustment of Pulsar 180 timing chain. If you have your bike, if your bike having any tappet sound from this area, uh, we can prevent that by just adjusting. First of all, take a 10 ring to loosen this bolt and just loose it. Now we can see the hole in that area after removing that bolt. Just put a minus inside it. There is a line for turning it. You turn it anti-clockwise. Fit in the hole and turn anti-clockwise in that direction. Not this direction, that direction. After, I hope my video is helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel. I will keep updating the more videos like this.